be polite.
Okay, guys, we're talking about absolute value today. Can anyone tell me what it is? Maddie.
The absolute value of a number?
Yeah, what is that?
Does it look a little like, oh my. Which is hard. I don't know. I lost
It's
it.
okay. Chloe?
Doesn't it like turn like the negative to a positive?
Yeah, it'll be a positive number.
Good job, Chloe.
So the absolute value is a number is its distance from 0 on a number line.
A great way to think about an absolute value is like an odometer. Do you guys know what an odometer is? No. Odometer is the thing in a car that keeps track of how many miles you've traveled. You've seen that before in your parents' car? And if you travel forward, like if you put it into drive, and you travel forward 10 feet, no, I'm sorry, let's say you travel forward 2 miles, right? Your odometer goes up 2 miles, right? What happens if you go back, if you hit it in reverse and go backwards 2 miles? It still goes up 2 miles, and that's because the distance is always positive. It doesn't matter if you're going forward or backwards, you're still traveling over a positive distance.
So we're going to do 2 examples today. Example 1. Evaluate the absolute value of negative 2xy plus 5y. X equals 6 and y equals a negative 3.
A problem I saw in an earlier class, and I want you guys to avoid this mistake, so stop doing your math right now and look up. You see these? These are absolute value signs, right? There should be lines like that. Do not confuse them for ones, so make it really dark and big in your notebook so that you know those are absolute values and not ones.
So now we're going to have to plug in, right? So negative 2 times x, which is 6, and y is negative 3, plus 5 times negative 3. That's the value. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 3 is positive 36. Plus 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. Now we have to add, right? 36 plus a negative 15 equals what? 21. And then we can remove the absolute value sign, which is 21.
So an absolute value changes a negative positive. But what does it do to a positive? Just keeps it positive. It's not like it's the opposite of everything.
Okay, so the second example, I'm going to write it on the board, and you're going to work with your Post-it partner to solve it.
Cassie, what's up? If you like if we had a math problem like on a test or something, will we get it wrong if we had like the value on it? Like it would be like 21, but instead of having like 21, it would be like this one.
Okay, so you're saying like, what if you left it like this?
Yeah.
I mean, I usually wouldn't mark that wrong, but the final step really is doing the absolute value.
Okay.
So I would prefer it if you would just leave it. Like, just have it as just a number at the end.
Negative absolute value of 5a plus 3 times 2ab minus 1. A equals -2 and B equals -3. Work with your post-it partner and discuss how to solve this problem.
Remember, those are absolute value signs. That doesn't say -15. I had like 3 kids I talked to in the last hour who thought it was -15. Come on. All right, go through it. Talk to each other.
Let's just start by substituting the.
Michael Toff.
Do you know him?
You guys can spell it, right?
Yeah. Hey, have you guys ever had Mr. Toft as a sub? What's he like? Cool dude?
It's Landon Miller's dad.
No one's not.
Basically. What in the world is going on?
Did you tell them the right answer? No, I haven't.
I haven't even started.
Okay, guys, the correct answer is -23.
Yeah, that's not right.
Yeah.
I'm figuring it out, I think.
What?
She said Noah.
Oh, yeah.
Who is Noah from church? Where's he?
Okay, do I have volunteers?
Hands up if you volunteer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, what number is it?
3.
She looked at me. I'm like, I'm never confident I never get called. Watch it. Yeah.
So first we're gonna do
Can you write it on that sheet?
Hey, Karen.
Can you write it on the sheet?
That way we can photocopy his notes. There you go. All right, everybody's gonna be polite.
So first we're gonna do 2 times negative 2 times negative 3.
So Karen's catching up by just plugging in stuff.
What'd you do?
2 times negative 2 times negative 3 is negative 12.
Positive 12.
Or positive 12.
Good job.
And then positive 12 minus 1 is 11. And then 3 times 11 is 33. And then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10.
Okay.
And then negative 10 plus 33 is 23. And then absolute value or whatever would be like negative 23.
Right. The absolute value is still keeps it positive, but that negative out front puts a negative in. Nice job, ladies. Well done. Got some prizes. A goose.
Yes, I have a big 24-inch goose.
Nice.
Okay, guys, your homework assignment. Page 47, number 6 through 33. Multiples of 3.
It's like 36.
All right. So multiples of 3
Very nice book.
means that you start with number 6, and then what's the next one you do? 9, and then 12, 15, etc. It does not mean do the whole assignment 3 times.
That sounds fun.
Hey, I had a kid once who did it 3 times.
Actually?
Yeah.
I feel like it was pretty easy. For the first time in that breakfast.
I know. And afterwards, he was like, "Why would you have us do this?" And I was like, "I wouldn't. Why would I have you do that?"
May I grab my book from my locker?
Sure.
These are late assignments from Bubby, or maybe from when he was gone.
Perfect.
Bobby?
There's nowhere I was going to
Were those assignments when you were gone, or are they just late? Okay.
Oh, we need to stop it.
Is this due tomorrow?
Yes, this is due tomorrow.